Magandang umaga, Scorpio. So, ang timestamp ng reading nyo ay 3:03 in the morning, January 5, 2026. Ito, Scorpio, ay isang free reading. Kaya ginagawa natin ito for the collective Scorpio. Okay? And then, ang gagamitin nating deck ay ang Oracle of the Mermaids by Lucy Cavendish. Na pre-shuffle ko na yung mga cards a while back, pero for the sake of para makita nyo na sinashuffle yung cards before mag-umpisa yung reading nyo, we will do it again, and na-cleanse na natin yung space a while back as well. Okay? So, if you resonate with this reading, Scorpio, this means that the reading is for you. If hindi naman, so I might tap into your energy next time, Scorpio. Okay? So, isa-shuffle ko lang ulit yung mga cards in front of the camera. Okay, spirits, please kindly show yung mga gabay para sa ating collective Scorpio for January 2026. So, Scorpio, this would mean na this is a general free reading. So, it will touch, no, in all aspects of your life na to. Okay? Love, career, success, anything else that the cards will pick up on. Okay? Thank you guys for your support on the channel, no? Please consider to follow the account if you resonate with me. Okay, 5 cards para sa Scorpio Spirit. 5 cards para sa Scorpio. Okay. First card, Scorpio, meron kang the present. First time lumabas ang barahan na to so far sa mga na-read natin, and I think you are the 6th, the 7th yata, no? Nababasahan natin. Okay, or probably the 8th. So, the present says, Scorpio, gift, treasure, revelation of own value, nowness. Okay. Second card, Scorpio. So, ito yung mermaid na ito nakaupo, looking at us. Okay. Ayan siya. Second card, Scorpio. Meron kang receptivity na nakuha din kanina ng previous reading natin, which is I think it's Virgo. So, receptivity. Allow yourself to receive, allow yourself to give. Okay, makikita mo itong mermaid na to, open hand siya. She's waiting na i-drop ng ibon yung regalo na nasa maliit na box. Okay? Ayan siya. Ito yung ibon, ito yung regalong bit-bit ng ibon, ng bird, okay? Ng messenger. Okay? Third is the mirror. Lumabas na rin to in the past readings, no? Na ginawa natin for the month of January sa ibang zodiac signs. Now, the mirror says, know thyself, self-examination, seeing who you really are, Scorpio. Ang ikaapat na baraha mo, so nakatingin siya sa reflection niya sa water, Scorpio. Okay, tapos may mga petals, no? May mga flowers in between them. Okay? Yung fourth card mo, Scorpio, transparency. First time lumabas to. So, face card ng isang mermaid to. Because transparency is basically being honest and true, no? Ngayon, basahin lang natin ang ibig sabihin. O, diba? Tama, Scorpio. Ang sabi, transparency is honest, authentic, genuine, and present. Okay? At sa last card mo, Scorpio, for January 2026 Scorpio Collective, meron kang Coral's Wisdom. Lumabas na to a while back yata sa hindi naman nating reading today na in-upload ko. I couldn't remember ko anong zodiac sign. Coral's Wisdom, it means colony, delicacy or delicate, fragility or fragile, works that are created over great periods of time. So, nakita mo yung back niya, nakatalikod siya and she's being surrounded, pati yung likod niya ng mga corals. Okay? So, it's right kasi ang message for you here, Scorpio, for January 2026, don't rush into things because great things will really take some time and proper planning. Ganun yun, Scorpio. Okay, for your first card, meron kang present. So, for January 2026, Scorpio, ina-advise ko ng mga guys natin to focus on the now. Okay, don't look back na in the past, especially New Year ngayon. So, it's not the perfect time na mag-reminisce pa tayo na nakaraan. It's done and dusted, no? So, just focus on what's now and what you can change, no? And with the learning na nakuha mo sa mga nakaraan, no? So, don't also over-plan na nagtithink ka ng future ahead. So, be it sa love life mo, sa relationship with other people, or sa career mo, where you want it to go. Do not plan ahead too much. Do not look back na, or magsa-sour grape pa tayo, or we're having some, parang, alam mo yon, disappointments, no? So, wag. Sinasabi dito, for the month of January, focus on the present lang, because the present is the gift, no, that you need to value. Sinasabi dito, okay? Revelation of own value and nowness, okay? So, also, you focus on yourself, no? Your present self, no? Hindi yung nakaraang self mo, that's your old self. Your future self must not yet defined, okay, Scorpio? Now, sa second card, meron kang receptivity. So, sinasabi lang dito simply is be ready for January, na if there's any help, aid, relief, or mga opportunities, be more open to it, no? Do not close doors just because siguro you're not going to settle for anything less. So, for January, if there are incoming opportunities when it comes to mga relationship and sa dreams, careers mo, or business, no, be more open-minded to receive the idea, receive yung connection, receive the friendship and other opportunities, no, because ang sabi rin dito, if you want to give or receive something also, it must be balanced. So you also have to learn how to be a giver, no, so you take from someone or and the opportunity, and also you give back to the community, to the people. So dapat equal the energy exchange for the month of January, Scorpio, okay? Now, for your third card, Scorpio, nandito ang the mirror. This is basically simulan, reflection, okay? Tinitingnan niya yung reflection niya sa water. So, ang sabi dito, Scorpio, for the month of January, there are things siguro na parang kailangan mo mag-self-reflect, magpaka-hermit ka or high priestess. Now, you go within you, yung sarili mo, you need to self-evaluate na kung sino ka talaga. Remember who you truly are. Because probably maybe there are circumstances or people they're trying to change us, no? Because experiences also change us, no? Sometimes, but make sure na you will remember who you truly are. If you're really a good person, you go back to that kind of person that you are. When you change, it's always for the better. So, yun nga, sinasabi dito, know yourself, self-examine, and then seeing who you really are. Sino ka ba talaga? The core of your being. Because some people, they try to change themselves because maybe they got traumatized over a past situation, or maybe a learning then, no? But, the real essence of you, balikan mo daw yun. Yung sinasabi dito, Scorpio, okay? Do not forget the real essence. If you're a good person, do not forget how good you are as a person. Okay? No? The opinion of other people do not define you. Okay, they're just messengers. What things you need to improve. Ganon yun, Scorpio. Okay, now, so for transparency, I-encourage ka to be more authentic. No? That's why there's a mirror here. I kind of feel like you will probably have some issue about you. Identity crisis or duality. Like some people, sometimes you feel like you're not authentic enough to show who you really are. Hindi ka comfortable ipakita sa kanya kung sino ka. Or there are also situations sometimes na gusto mo ipakalala kung sino ka or yung talent mo, whatever you have, no, you just be real, no, yung sinasabi dito, ini-encourage ka, no, know your value, know your worth, kasi, I think, huwag ka mag-hesitate, no, that's why nandiyan yung transparency, ipakilala mo, show them what you really got, no, kung ano yung skills mo, showcase it, what kind of person you're, if you are a good person, show the goodness in you, these things, no, kasi sabi dito, be more honest, Scorpio, be more authentic, genuine, and focus on the present. Be ever present then, always appear, always be truthful also when you communicate or when you deal with situations or people. That's why meron kang receptivity dito. You can give, you can receive, but it must be balanced. And yung mirror, it's encouraging to focus also on the present and self-reflect. Lahat sila nandito sa transparency. So, you will be challenged, no? Yung identity mo, who you are, no? People will question, people will challenge you, but you need to stand your ground, no? Because I kind of feel like there will be an energy when maybe people will be jealous of your talent, people will challenge your idea. So you have to be more assertive, not aggressive. It's more assertive. Like you need to stand by what you believe in. You need to be more vocal about ideas and things like that. Okay, Scorpio. And lastly, meron kang coral's wisdom. The coral, they take time to build, diba? Sa ocean. No, it take years, no? Sinabi na yan nung nasira yung coral reef sa West Philippine Sea. Sinabi ng someone from the government, Department of Environment and Natural Resources, na it takes time to build corals again. No? Tapos papanirahan nyo, magiging sanctuary ng mga ocean life, di ba? So, ang sinasabi dito, great things take time. So, the energy for January will just kickstart. But do not rush or rush the momentum. If it's building, let it build muna. Kasi yung success mo, it will likely get you there, pero it needs your patience. It needs a little bit of time. Okay, don't rush into it. If you're rushing for promotion, for instant gratification, that's not it for January. This is the perfect time to kickstart, set the momentum muna. Okay, no? Okay, so sana Scorpio, nag-resonate kayo sa inyong mga gabay for January 2026. This is for collective Scorpio. Sa mga ibang Scorpio na hindi naka-resonate dito, I might tap into your energy next time. And for those who resonate with this, please comment na lang and let me know how did it go for you guys. Okay? Thank you so much and I'll see you again on your next month reading, Scorpio. Bye!